and welcome to my channel. Salut et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today, I'd like to show you simple and easy way to start a conversation in French. My name is Mora Onye, aka That French Girl, and all I do is show you simple and easy ways to communicate in French language. Okay, let's dive right into it. So, what are the easy and simple ways to start a conversation in French language? So, the first we have bonjour. Bonjour. I know almost everyone hears this word or knows this word. Bonjour. And it means hello, good morning. Okay. So in the morning, everyone says good morning. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. So if you see someone, you want to start a conversation, first you say bonjour, bonjour, before you go right into what you want to talk about. Another way you can still start a conversation, yeah, that bonjour, like I said, is good morning, hello. Okay, so in the day, if you meet someone in the day as well, you can also say bonjour, bonjour. You keep saying bonjour from morning till day. All right. Then in the evening, if you meet anyone in the evening and you want to start a conversation, you say bonsoir, bonsoir, which means what? Good evening, bonjour, hello, bonjour, good morning, good day, bonsoir, bonsoir, good evening. Okay, so you've gotten 3 ways to say hello or good morning or good evening. Now instead you say bonjour, 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 bonsoir. Okay, then in the evening, in the night, maybe like our good night, you're going to bed, someone came to see you, or you're done with conversation, you say what? Bonne nuit, bonne nuit. That's what? Good night. All right. Okay, so now you want to attach title when you're greeting. Like let's say you want to greet your mother or something. You say bonjour mama, or bonjour ma mère, my mother. Okay. Then you have papa. Maybe you hear someone say papa, that is papa. Mon père, my father. Okay. Then other title, you see someone that is married or someone that is advanced. You say madam, bonjour madame, bonjour madame, bonsoir madame. That is Mrs. Then you can add the person's name after the madam. Okay. Then you have monsieur. Monsieur, that is Mr. or master. You want to say Mr. John. Bonjour, Monsieur John. Bonsoir, Monsieur John. Okay. Add monsieur, then add the person's name. Add madame, then add the person's name as well. Okay. Then let's see another title. We have mademoiselle. Mademoiselle, that is a miss. A miss, okay. But if you see an advanced lady, instead of saying miss to the person, just use madam. Then miss for all those young people. Okay. Then we have the one last one, mon ami. Mon ami, my friend. Bonjour, mon ami. Bonjour, mon ami. Bonsoir, mon ami. My friend. I added E in the brackets for when you're referring to, like you're writing and you're referring to a female. You use E at the end, all right? You add E at the end. Then another way you can still say salut. Salut. Hi. But this is an informal way, so you don't use it in a formal environment. So when you're being informal, you're talking to someone, your mate, someone you're older than, or in a formal environment, don't say salut. Okay? Say bonjour. But when you're being informal, you can say salut, salut, salut. Okay. So now let's look at some interesting names you can call your loved ones. D'accord? I have mon cœur, my sweetheart. Mon cœur, my sweetheart. Okay. We have, you can say salut mon cœur. Hi, sweetheart. Mon amour, my love, my love, mon amour, my love. Mon ange, my angel. Oh, mon ange, my angel. Elle est mon ange, she's my angel. Then we have another one, mon étoile, my star. Ah, tu es mon étoile, you're my star. Mon trésor, my treasure, my treasure. Then we have mon bébé, my baby, mon bébé, my baby. Mon bijou, my jewel, my jewel. Then we have mon rêve, my dream. Tu es mon rêve, you're my dream. Mon chéri, this one is very common. Mon chéri, ma chérie, mon chéri, ma chérie. That is my dear. Then we have mon ami, mon ami. Oh, we saw this in our previous video. That's my friend. Okay, so which of this do you like? Okay, which one is your favorite? And which one would you be using to, to call your loved ones? Mine is, I like ma, mon chéri, ma chérie. I like mon amour, mon amour. Lately, I just found out mon trésor. Mon bébé is also nice. So let me know the one you would like to use, the one you like, the one that is your most. Drop it in the comment section. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so we have our quiz. How would you say good morning, my love in French? Good morning, my love. Tell me in the comment section. How would you say what is hello in French? How would you say hello in French? Also tell me in the comment section. And how would you say good night, Mr. Jude? Good night, Mr. Jude. What does mademoiselle mean in English? What does bonjour mean as well? Drop them in the comment section and I will respond to everyone one after the other. All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you next in my next video where I'll be teaching how to say how are you? How are you? Yeah, basically how to say how is your health, this, how are you, and the rest of it. We call it demander la santé. All right, and how to respond and how to ask as well. All right. Au revoir. Make sure you follow my page and please like, comment, and share so YouTube will recommend my video to more people. D'accord? Au revoir. Follow, follow.